Welcome to today's episode. I'm really excited about this one because we're talking about Gartner's top 10 strategic technology trends for 2025. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tech trends, how exciting can that be? But stick with me because these trends are not just a list of buzzwords. They're a roadmap for the future, and I promise to make this engaging, relatable, and fun. So grab your coffee or tea and let's dig in. Let's kick things off with AI, which is just getting smarter and frankly cooler every year. Imagine this. What if AI could actually plan and take action to achieve goals you set? That's Agentic AI, and it's like having a virtual assistant that's not just reactive, but proactive. Think of it as a super smart teammate that handles tasks for you, freeing you up to focus on bigger things. But here's the catch. This isn't magic. To make this work, you've got to put guardrails in place. It's like giving your super smart teammate clear instructions so they don't go off script. And then we've got AI governance platforms, which are basically the rules and referees for AI. These platforms make sure AI systems are operating ethically and transparently. Picture a dashboard that not only monitors what your AI is doing, but also explains why it's doing it. That's huge for building trust, not just with your team, but also with your customers. Of course, the tricky part is figuring out the rules, especially since different industries and regions have different standards, but the effort is worth it. Oh, and here's a big one for all of us in this digital age: disinformation security. Ever seen something online and wondered, can I trust this? Disinformation security is all about tackling that. It helps businesses validate what's real, protect their reputations, and stop fraud before it happens. Think of it as your digital truth detector. The challenge? Staying ahead of bad actors. But the tools are getting smarter, and that's a win for everyone. Now let's shift gears and talk about the way we process information. Quantum computing is on the horizon, and that's where post-quantum cryptography comes in. Quantum computers are going to be insanely powerful, which is awesome. But they could also crack today's encryption like it's nothing. Businesses need to start testing quantum-proof security measures now. It's like locking your doors before a new kind of lock picker moves into town. It's proactive and it's smart. Next up, ambient invisible intelligence. This one's pretty cool. It's about technology that just works quietly in the background. Imagine sensors in a warehouse that automatically track inventory, or smart devices in your home that adjust settings without you even noticing. It's all about making life easier without being intrusive. That said, privacy is a big deal here, and businesses will need to earn trust if they want people to embrace it. Speaking of trust, let's talk sustainability. Energy-efficient computing is a trend that's growing fast, and for good reason. As businesses and governments push for greener operations, companies need to rethink how they use energy. Picture running your data centers on renewable energy while also cutting costs. It's a win-win, though migrating to more sustainable systems does take time and money. But hey, if it means leaving a smaller carbon footprint, I'd say it's worth the effort. Then there's hybrid computing, which combines all kinds of computing, cloud, edge, even quantum, to solve problems we couldn't tackle before. It's like bringing together the Avengers of computing. This could lead to breakthroughs in automation, personalization, and more. Of course, it's still early days for hybrid systems, and they're expensive to implement, but the potential is massive. Now let's talk about the intersection of the physical and digital worlds. Spatial computing is one of my favorite trends because it's so visual. Imagine walking into a virtual store where you can interact with products as if they were right in front of you. Or surgeons using augmented reality to perform complex procedures with precision. It's a game changer for industries like retail, healthcare, and education. But as cool as it sounds, there are challenges. Hardware is still pricey, and privacy concerns need to be addressed. And how about polyfunctional robots? These are robots that can do multiple tasks and switch between them seamlessly. Imagine a single robot in a factory packing boxes one minute and assembling parts the next. They're versatile, scalable, and efficient. The tech is still evolving, but the potential to revolutionize industries like manufacturing is huge. Finally, let's get a little futuristic with neurological enhancement. This one sounds like something out of sci-fi, but it's real. It's about technology that interacts with your brain to improve cognitive abilities. Imagine tools that help you learn faster, work smarter, or even extend your career by keeping your mind sharp. The possibilities are exciting, but they also raise big ethical questions. How far should we go? And how do we make sure this technology is used responsibly? These are questions we'll have to tackle as the tech develops. So, why do these trends matter? Because they're not just about cool gadgets or advanced algorithms, they're about reshaping how we live, work, and connect. For businesses, these trends offer opportunities to innovate, grow, and make a real impact. The key is to start small, focus on what aligns with your goals, and build from there. And here's the best part: these trends don't just push us forward, they challenge us to think about the kind of future we want to create. Whether it's ensuring AI is ethical, making computing more sustainable, or enhancing how we interact with technology, these innovations give us a chance to make things better. So, what do you think? Which of these trends excites you the most? Are there any you see your organization embracing? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep shaping the future, one trend at a time.